that compressor in here. We're gonna prove it right now. This is the compressor's plug, unplugged from the compressor itself. We have taken every other electrical component apart that connects to the main power. Gonna click this in right here. You see our fan comes on. It's no breaker tripping now. The breaker hasn't tripped. We got power still out here. We good. Now, as soon as I take this plug right here, and I'm gonna plug it up inside the compressor. When I plug that up inside that compressor right there, and then try to go to cut my power, it literally tried to cut the compressor and the unit on, and then it'll trip itself, which now it has tripped the breaker upstairs again, and now we have no power. No power. Fan no longer spinning, and I'm pressing this contactor in. Which means the breaker has tripped itself again, and it only trips itself when this is plugged in. So I'm gonna unplug it. And we're gonna go upstairs real quick and cut the breaker on and see if it trips itself.